There are quite a few acoustic guitars you can buy, but finding the right one to match your needs can be a challenge. Well, in this video, we break down the top 5 best acoustic guitars on the market this year based on price versus performance and situations they will be used in. We'll be taking a look at products in every budget range, so regardless of whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want the best value, or are looking for the best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So, if you're interested in finding out which acoustic guitar will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Number 5 on our list is Yamaha GL1. The Yamaha GL1 is a 30-inch acoustic guitar that features a great tone and excellent level of overall playability. It has thin frets and low string action, which make it easy to play. The patented string post covers protect small fingers, making this a great choice for children. This guitar is made of sturdy materials, so you can trust that it will stand the test of time. The chord cards that come with this guitar make it perfect for those who are just learning how to play. The smaller frame and low string action will provide you with a natural feel, even if you've never held an acoustic guitar before. The overall design of this guitar has a classic and elegant look that you will be sure to love. It is one of the best choices even for those who don't know how to play at all yet. If you are looking for the perfect birthday present for your child, this is a great choice. It makes for an excellent starter guitar for young people. This guitar is nice and light, so it doesn't have a heavy or bulky feel, making it easy to play for hours. Number 4 on our list is Taylor GS Mini, our choice for the best overall acoustic guitar for beginners. The Taylor GS Mini is made of solid mahogany wood, making it incredibly durable for years of regular use without any wear and tear. It also has a layered SAPELE back and sides along with a sturdy African ebony fingerboard. The shorter 23.5-inch scale length design of this guitar makes forming chords very easy. It offers a variety of tonal options for maximum versatility, which is great if you are just starting to learn how to play. The ethically sourced raw materials used to make this guitar make it a very eco-friendly choice. This guitar's neck has a very playable design that is unbelievably tough, so you won't have to worry about it snapping or breaking. The aftermarket pickup was custom designed for this specific guitar, so you can expect top-notch performance. The clean and symmetrical look of this guitar gives it a nice classic look that you'll be sure to fall in love with the moment you see it up close. The die-cast chrome material of the tuners makes them very durable while promoting flawless playing. This is definitely one of the sturdiest high-performance beginner acoustic guitars on the market right now. Number 3 on our list is Donner 36 inches. The Donner 36-inch acoustic guitar has a 3/4-inch dreadnought body, delivering a full and vibrant tone with every strum. It has a right-handed design and is made of a spruce top with a mahogany back and sides for lasting durability and a rich sound. The 20 brass frets feature position marks at 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th, 12th, 15th, and 17th positions on the neck and top of the fingerboard. When you buy this guitar, you will also get a digital clip-on tuner, polishing cloth, and guitar picks. This provides you with everything you need to get started. The 10mm gig bag ensures that your guitar stays in good condition when you are traveling. You also get a high-quality tuner key to always keep the guitar in tune for optimal performance. This guitar features die-cast steel tuning machines and bronze strings for lasting durability and a crisp overall sound. The strings are light for comfortable playability at all times. You will never have to worry about any note bending, which can be an issue with cheaper guitars. It also has a nice grip that feels natural and will allow you to play for a long time without any discomfort. If you're interested in updated pricing or going more in-depth on some features of any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. And if you're interested in staying up to date with the best products on the market, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 2 on our list is Jasmine S34C NEX. The Jasmine S34C NEX has a natural glossy aesthetic that has a nice stylish look that all aspiring musicians can appreciate. It features a laminate spruce top, SAPELE back and sides, and a rosewood fingerboard for incredible durability. This guitar's smooth satin finish maximizes resonance for optimal sound quality on a consistent basis. This means that you can depend on this guitar to give you a great performance every single time you strum the chords. The unique strap button position gives you superb balance and comfort at all times. We really like the cutaway design of this acoustic guitar, which allows for easy access to the higher frets. The premium materials of the back and sides give you the best possible tone and overall sound every single time. You will have no problems whatsoever with learning how to play with this guitar. It is particularly well suited to those who have little to no playing experience. There are sculpted wood pieces attached to the underside of this guitar's top. These pieces give this instrument strong bracing for maximum structural stability and support. You won't have to worry about this guitar wearing out quickly or the sound changing over time, even with regular use. Number 1 on our list is First Act Acoustic Guitar FG127, our choice for the best budget acoustic guitar for beginners. The First Act Acoustic Guitar FG127 offers an amazing tone and a special grip for comfortable playing all the time. It features thin frets and low string action, which make it very easy to play. This is a great choice if you are a beginner and need a starter guitar to learn on. These features also make it easy for small fingers to move up and down the fretboard, so it is ideal for kids. This guitar's solid plastic construction makes it very durable and capable of withstanding regular use without any issues. It features string post covers that will protect your children's fingers while they are playing. The durable plastic guard that protects the string posts will keep this guitar in good condition for multiple years. It produces bright and warm notes without requiring a lot of effort to keep tuned. The classic body shape gives it a nice aesthetic that most kids love. If you want to give your child the gift of music, this guitar is a great choice. It is easy to play on and doesn't have an overly complicated or advanced design. Coming in at around $30, everything about this guitar is perfect for those who are just starting to learn how to play. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you liked the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to know what the best gear out there is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.